do you want to know how you all can prepare a super easy and a super yum chicken recipe, that is tangy chicken, at home? Sounds interesting, right? Then keep on watching. Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So you must be wondering what is up with her today, what's has caused this change of setting. So actually I am trying something very new for the first time in my channel today, to switch things up a little bit for you guys as well, so you don't find any of my content boring, and just to give a touch of something different than usually what I do. So yes, so today I am, for the very first time, I'm trying my hands and trying to shoot the video in a vlog style, and this is my very first time doing something like this. And if I do any mistakes, guys, please forgive me for that, and please bear with me. And I hope you will enjoy this video today, because I am going to show and share with you all something very different apart from the usual makeup or skincare thing that I show to you. So yeah, if you have read the title, you must be already knowing that what I'm going to do and I'm going to show you. So without any further ado, before we start cooking, what I'll do is I'll keep you posted what are the things you will require to do this and prepare this recipe. Before I'll tell you all that, just to make sure, guys, after you watch this video, if you like watching this video and if you liked something different, watching something different like this, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also do subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell right next to the subscribe button, so that you'll get updated every time I upload a video like this. And yes, also follow me in my other social medias, guys, because I'm pretty active over there. And yes, you'll find all the links down below in the description box. And I would like to give a big shout out to my aunt, whom I call Papa. I love you. Thank you so much for giving the suggestion to make this kind of video. And you guys also feel free to let me know if you want to see more of this kind of video in future from me, because I understand that I have a passion for cooking as well, along with makeup. But there are people, tons of people, who don't have the passion or are not that much interested in makeup or skincare as per se, but they can be interested in watching some cooking and learning some new recipes and to try at home while they are in the quarantine period. So that's the reason I wanted to try this out, and when my aunt suggested me to make something like this, I thought, why not try that for you guys. So do not forget to let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about this video, and if you would like to see something like this in future as well. I would love to know that. And if there is any further suggestion for me to go ahead and make something even further different, do not feel free to even mention that in the comment as well. And yes, do not forget to mention that. I would love to know that from you guys. So enough of me blabbering, now let's start cooking.
So let's start our recipe. The main ingredient in this recipe is chicken. So I am taking 500 grams of chicken over here, and then I have already cleaned the pieces thoroughly. I am now marinating it by adding some salt, some sugar as per my taste, and some 1 teaspoon of chili flakes in it, and 2.5 tablespoon of tomato ketchup for the marination process. And also I'll add 1 tablespoon of Szechuan sauce. Then I am mixing the spices thoroughly, and I am coating all the spices on all the pieces of the chicken to make sure the pieces are thoroughly coated with the marination sauce. Coming to the other ingredients, I am taking 2 tomatoes, 2 onions, 1 garlic, and 1 green capsicum. Now I am frying the marinated chicken over here. I have already left it for marination for around 30 minutes. You can leave it overnight as well. Then I'll fry the chicken. I'm actually doing a shallow fry over here, and I'll fry them till they turn light brown in color. Then I'll take them away from the flame and keep them aside. Talking about other ingredients, I have chili flakes, salt, sugar, the tomato puree, tomato ketchup, Szechuan sauce, the fried chicken, as well as green chilies, garlic pieces, onion diced, and green capsicum diced. So let's start making our gravy. I am adding the pieces of the garlic in a pan by putting oil in it, but make sure the oil isn't heated too much, otherwise you will burn the pieces of garlic because they catch the heat very fast. So then I am adding the onion pieces over there. This is, you can see how I have cut the onion over here. This is the exact proper cut for the onions for this particular recipe. I'll fry the onions till they turn transparent like this over here. Then I'll add the green capsicum pieces. Just to make sure this particular recipe has the onion well cooked, but the green capsicum will be left a little crunchy, because and also their proper green color is not taken away, which will give a colorful look to our whole recipe. So I'll just saute them a bit, then I'll add the tomato puree. I'll tell you how I have made this puree. The 2 tomatoes I showed you, I have put them in the mixer grinder with 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, and then I have made this puree out of that. By adding the puree over here, I am then adding 2 teaspoons of salt and 2.5 teaspoons of sugar for the taste. You can add these as per your liking and your taste. Then I'll mix it thoroughly. Then for our next ingredient, I am adding the tomato ketchup that we have kept, and I am adding around 3 to 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup over here. If you want to make your gravy a little bit more sour, you can add more tomato ketchup. It's totally up to you, but I like it this way. Now I am adding 1 big tablespoon of Szechuan sauce to give this gravy a little bit tangy, spicy effect. Now to make it even spicier, I am adding 2 teaspoons of red chili flakes in it. Then I am mixing them. You can see the gravy, the water part that it has reduced and the gravy has become thicker. This is the right consistency, and for us to go ahead and put the chicken in it. So I am adding the fried chicken in the gravy with gentle hand, because the chicken is now tender because it has already been cooked. Now with gentle hand only, I'll mix it with the gravy that we have just made. Then I'm adding a little bit of water, just to make sure that the spices that the gravy has, it will be mixed thoroughly with the chicken and it will go inside the chicken pieces to give it a good taste. Now I have cooked it for a few minutes and now it has come to a boil. I'll add 4 green chilies to add extra spice to this recipe. Then I'll mix it a little bit, then I'll put the lid on and then I'll leave it in a low flame and let it have another boil, as you can see over here. So it has got a boil for the last time and our tangy chicken is ready. As you can see, our sour and spicy tangy chicken is ready to be served. It's best served with parathas, but you can also eat it with rotis. So you can tell me, isn't it looking delicious? So do try it at home, and obviously do not forget to let me know in the comment section how it went after you try it by yourself, because I would love to know that. I hope you enjoyed it.
So thank you so much guys for watching the video till the end. I really appreciate that fact. and I hope you have enjoyed watching this kind of different video from my side. And do not forget to let me know in the comments if you have enjoyed watching this kind of video, and if you would love to watch this kind of video even more from me apart from the usual makeup and skincare stuff. So I would love to make that for you, because there are lots and lots of more recipes which are still left from my side to show you guys. So I would love to share that with you all. And yes, so if you like this video guys, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up to support me, and also do subscribe to my channel and make the red subscribe button gray, and also press the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you will get the notification every time I upload a video like this. And yes, do not forget to follow me in my other social medias, because I'm pretty active over there and I post fun stuff over there as well. So if you would love to know and watch those, you will find all the links down below in the description box. So yes, I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I'll see you in my next video guys. Till then, I hope you all are staying safe and staying indoors. Till then, take care, bye bye.